On behalf of the entire Elucidata team, I would like to welcome you to the first annual Elucidata Poly User Group meeting. My name is Jim Martin, and I, along with a dedicated internal group, manage and organize commercial activities for Elucidata. We thank you for your attendance and participation in this meeting, and we look forward to not only educating you on elements of Elucidata and its Poly platform, but engaging you in conversations about solutions and advancements in the area of biomedical data science. We encourage you throughout this event to engage with Elucidata personnel and our clients, to ask lots of questions, and most importantly, to give us your view of organizing scientific data and executing analysis of it. We are keenly interested in your experience for the purposes of improving the quality of our Poly platform to solve problems for our clients and partners. Biomedical data availability does not equal usability. So many public data repositories contain data that has not been structured. Some examples include lack of harmonization of names of genes or molecules, incomplete data set level metadata structure for normalization of named entities, or incomplete sample level metadata structure for normalization of named entities. This data is valuable, but scientists simply do not download data sets from these repositories because of the difficulty of interpretation and utilization. In fact, there are hundreds of these so-called gold mines in the public domain, repositories with very valuable information to be uncovered. This is a universal problem associated with public data repositories and is relevant for the realm of public scientific literature as well. Structuring the data to make it usable and to increase quality of interpretation and speed of experimentation is paramount. Integrating and harmonizing data and organizing it for analysis requires resources in the form of platform structure and automation, as well as ongoing scientific analysis. It is an ongoing struggle for scientists within various organizations. For example, a computational biologist at a biotechnology company that we were recently speaking with said that he did not do a single analysis for the first year and a half of his tenure at his company. All he did was curation of public and existing company data. Another example, a scientist at a pharmaceutical company that we were recently speaking with said that while they have a lot of their bioinformatics infrastructure, build, and analytical capability covered in-house, they struggle with harmonizing data. But having the public data structured and more usable is just one step in the experimental process. The construction of a data lake, not only organizing public data, but combining it with proprietary data, and the development of a novel algorithm begins the process of experimental protocol design and execution that allows continual reinterrogation of the data. This is a circular process that needs to be made as efficient as possible. For efficiency of the biomedical enterprise, biology and bioinformatics must work together to develop the data. The process and platform must be flexible and scalable. For biologists, intuitive interfaces, dashboards, and applications for delivering clear insights. For data scientists, tools for building these interfaces, performing efficient computational processing, customizing applications as necessary, and integrating tools with other platforms and systems. So how does Elucidata solve these problems? Elucidata is a disruptive bioinformatics company with deep expertise delivering structured data, as well as pipelines, tools, and supporting services to enhance your biomedical asset discovery and development. Elucidata deploys its proprietary platform Poly for client use or for Elucidata's use on behalf of the client to curate, integrate, and harmonize data to begin the process of executing experimental protocols. Within Poly, data is central. Custom data lakes can be created from either public or client proprietary data. With data in more structured and usable form, it can be interrogated with applications that are yours, ours, or in the public space. all within Poly. Elucidata understands that there are multitudes of applications currently available or actively being developed for running analyses. Therefore, the Poly platform flexibly allows for construction of proprietary and public workflows, in addition to Elucidata generated workflows for use in analysis. But these applications don't necessarily have to reside in Poly either. Elucidata's data lakes can be integrated with applications and user interfaces that exist in your environment, allowing you to internally manage applications and infrastructure while taking advantage of the benefits of having curated data provided for your platform use. The Poly data lakes that are pre-built or customized to our client specifications are a part of our Poly Discover product, a platform for visualization, analytics, and exploration of data sets. It offers users curated data lakes from public repositories like Geo, or offers customized data lakes using proprietary client data. PolyDiscover applies a multitude of state-of-the-art analysis tools in order to explore and discover underlying biology. The key capabilities of Poly's data lakes, and more broadly PolyDiscover, are number one, the ability to explore a vast growing collection of public data sets. Number two, access to curated, standardized public data. Number three, point and click analysis and visualization capability. And number four, collaboration and coding capabilities. Elucidata provides flexible platform capability and supporting service to develop your bioinformatics capability, either within the Poly environment or within your architecture. On the data side, Elucidata gives access to customized data lakes within PolyDiscover. We specialize in providing streamlined access to public data, whether this be in a repository or via scientific literature. But clients can also construct proprietary data lakes with or without our support, combining their data with what exists in the public space. Data can also be integrated with client internal databases via an on-demand streaming service with updates for new data added or modified. On the platform side, Elucidata works with you for configurable build of analytical workflows and visualizations within Poly. Our Poly Data Studio product allows clients to create reusable components for building workflows, as well as to integrate with applications outside of Poly. Should you choose to develop your workflows internally, Elucidata can plug capability gaps for various multi-omic analyses. On the support side, Elucidata provides full support for custom configuration and deployment of your workflows within Poly. Or on a standalone basis, Elucidata can provide data and literature curation, engineering, application development services, or bioinformatics analysis to support your biology programs and internal bioinformatics platform. Elucidata nimbly combines data curation, infrastructure, and services to accomplish your goals. And Elucidata provides and prices its Poly platform only based upon what capabilities and services you need. Annual subscriptions contain variable pricing based upon amount of curated data accessed, number of users, features deployed, additional Elucidata services accessed, and actual data usage within our cloud environment, which is zero if we deploy Poly in your cloud environment. Our combination of platform and service enables Elucidata to effectively service both biologists and bioinformaticians, and to allow these two scientific personas to analyze and share data together. With customer engagements, we have ranged from 100% do-it-yourself use of Poly by the client to 100% use of Poly by Elucidata on behalf of a client in order to deliver on a scientific analysis and reporting project, and all points in between. We custom tailor each engagement with the right amount of provision of Poly and supporting service. If you may be unsure of how to get started, a pilot project or short trial of Poly are good options that many of our clients have begun with, creating a low-risk way to establish proof of concept. A pilot project whereby Elucidata is helping you answer a question related to your omics data, construct a custom workflow or dashboard for analysis, or analyze one of many omics data sets for you is a good way to get acquainted with Elucidata, the team, and the quality of our services. Also, a short trial of Poly, whereby we configure Poly to your data management and workflow specifications, will allow your team to evaluate Poly based on your specific user requirements. Elucidata is wholly committed to providing exceptional service to its clients, whether it be curating data lakes and developing custom algorithms within Poly, or parsing data in scientific literature for reporting to a client, or performing custom service to optimize your internal bioinformatics platform. We are dedicated to providing excellent service on a timely basis. Each engagement is managed by a customer success manager as well as an account manager to make sure that you are receiving the full benefits of the Poly platform and related services. We have customer-facing project managers on the technical and scientific side to make sure that all of your scientific requirements are addressed in Poly platform development for you. With every deployment, we engage a full team of engineers and scientists on your behalf. We provide full initial and follow-on training as well as unlimited support. We view all engagements as working partnerships, and we are willing partners in working to build your capabilities to your specifications. Elucidata has been committed to streamlining biomedical data management and workflow analysis since 2015. We serve scientists in the pharmaceutical, biotechnology, academic, government, and nonprofit sectors. We would like to sincerely thank our client organizations listed on this slide who are participating in this conference. Through their partnership and support, we are enabled to show you how Poly helps them achieve their scientific goals, and we look forward to continuing to work with them to optimize their bioinformatics capabilities. This ends a brief introduction to Poly, and in the ensuing presentations by Elucidata team members and our clients, you will learn more about the Poly platform products and hear case studies of Poly use. Thank you for your attendance, and we look forward to your engagement throughout the afternoon.